Okay. Hello everybody, I got a review for you guys. This is the Apple 10.9 inch. This is the latest model. This is the Wi-Fi. It also has internet on it. This is the 10.9 inch iPad. This is the latest one. So now this is like a quick unboxing. Now this is like super like tight, the box cover. Basically it's like a paper over it. Okay, I'm just gonna flip this over to come out. Okay, this is the iPad itself here. Okay, this is the back. Just gonna put it to the side right here. Okay, then we have the box here. It says Apple California. So basically it comes with the instruction manual and stickers. And also to take the SD card. I mean, not the SD card, it's for the phone card to put it in the side. That's what's there. And that's about it. That's all that's in there. Okay. So then now we have, this is the charger. It's a USB-C. They have a USB-C charger now for it. So it'll be just like everything, all the other electronics that they have out right now. So basically this is what it looks like, and then this is the wire that goes to it, that comes with it. Okay. Okay, this is a 10 inch, this is a 10.9 inch liquid retina true tone display tablet. Basically this is the volume controls here on the side, and this is the power button, and these are the speakers here on the top. So now I'm going to hold this down to power the tablet on. Okay. This is an A14 Bionic chip with 6 core CPU and 4 core GPU. The camera on the back is a 12 megapixel. The front is a 12 megapixel also. This one has to be in a side view, so you can do video chats and other things that in the middle here. Okay. You swipe up. I'm just going to enter my passcode real quick. The tablet's unlocked. It has landscape, 12 inch, 12 megapixel ultra wide front camera. It has touch ID. So basically instead of the sensor display here where you would hold your finger on the older models, it has the touch on the top here where it scans your finger, and basically it'll unlock by that way. Then you have the USB-C where it plugs here into the bottom. It has the speakers here on the bottom also. It has all day battery life also. So also it works for the first generation iPad pencil. Okay, so you can put the iPad pencil here, the first generation. Okay, but in order to charge it, you're going to need a USB-C adapter that connects to the bottom here. I'll put a link down to the tablet and everything else in the video description if you're interested. Also, the tablet does last literally almost all day. It's iPad OS 16 makes the iPad even more capable, powerful, new productivity. Now if you look at it, it swipes really, really fast. The tablet moves really quickly. It's really light. Like, I really, really like how light it is. And look at the back. This one's really nice. It's really thin. It's really nice. And then this is where you put the phone card in for your phone service. This is the wireless one, so I do have phone service on it with T-Mobile at this time. So basically I'm going to show you guys how fast it moves. You can click on YouTube right here. Okay, see how fast it pops up. And we have TikTok that just pops right up. Alright, I'm not really signed into anything, but that's how fast it pops up. Then we can go to weather. Okay, and then this is the weather right now in New York. Basically, this is how fast it picks up. It's really fast. I think this is super duper fast. So I'm going to swipe up. That'll push it back. These are the fast options. Then we have the video here. Okay. What I'm doing with that. So I'm really not going to play with that. And then these are all the other options that they have for it at the moment. And then if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them with the like, share, subscribe, and comment. This is my first review on this one. I'll be doing another review on it later on down the road, and probably in like a month or so. to let you guys know how it's still working. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I got a lot more good content coming for you guys. Peace.